morning, Mr. on the roof here, and Ted. Say hello, Ted. Give him a wave. Good boy. Tonight, I thought, don't really usually talk on our videos, but I thought I'd do something different. Bought this little cooker from Amazon. Just to let you know, we're not affiliated with Amazon or the company that makes this cooker. Bought this out of our own money, and I'll be using it on one of our camps in the not too distant future. In that instruction book, it's in Chinese and English, as you can see, with photos. Let's move that over there, Tim. It's quite heavy, as you can see. You all right, mate? You can see it's quite small. It's a bit like the Freedom cookers you get in the black cases, like a single burner. This is a smaller version of it. Carrying case. Try that in a minute. And it unfolds like so. And then the gas bottle goes in here. One of these type of gas bottles, the aerosol type gas bottles. I should put Ted on the floor because I don't want him to inhale any gas. There you go, mate. You can get a drink of water. The controller at the front here with igniter. The gas bottle just sits in there. And you just push it in, click it in, like so. Shut down the old hatch. Turn it on. And regulate the heat. The fierceness of it. So I'll be using this on one of our camps. Do a meal on it, see how it goes. Don't advise using it in a built-up enclosed area. I say because you never know with the carbon dioxide and stuff like that, or carbon monoxide rather. And yeah, that's it. I shall dismantle it, take the gas bottle out. The only thing with these, you can't leave the gas bottle in like you can the Freedom cookers, because it all folds in on itself. Oh. Folds in there like so. Just down. Let's see if it goes in this bag. Bag's pretty sturdy. Like a little duffel bag. Quite a tight fit. Drawstring. Very good. It's not heavy. It's not lightweight, but it's very, you sort of pack it into like the corner of a van, your car. It'll slide in a rucksack if need be. So it takes these canisters that you can get from most camping shops. And that's it. So follow us on our YouTube channel, and you'll see me cook a meal on this within the next couple of weeks on our next adventure.